All right, hello everyone. Welcome to the late edition of the STV 100 video series. I apologize, this is getting it out a little late, but hey, it's here. Here I am. It is Tuesday afternoon, and I hope everything will be ready to go tomorrow, Wednesday the 13th. Anyways, let's get right into it. The assignments, remember that you could have gotten extra credit if you finished both time and stress by the 13th, but not by the 13th. It's by Sunday, which was 2 days ago, the 12th, the 10th. All right. If not, that's okay. You can get full credit still. All right. Time management. So for those who haven't done it yet, I just click here. This one, it'll take a little bit of thinking, a little bit of figuring, but completely doable. All right. So, sorry, it is giving me some trouble here. So here it is. So there's three parts to it: record, analyze, and change. So record, you just kind of say, what do you do every week? And this doesn't have to be exact, of course. I mean, you don't even have to look back at your calendar. Just kind of think about what it just about is. So you would say here, how many hours a week do you do different things? Class time, I don't know, we'll do um, 13, so that's 8%, and so on. So this should be 100% at the end here because you can't spend more than 100% of time. So remember that. Then you do analyze. This will do a nice, pretty cool pie chart showing all the different things. It'll be multiple slices. And then change. This is where you answer the questions here, and then you input what you believe you can do. All right. So those things, you save it, and then submit assignment, and you attach it and submit it. So that's the first one. So if you haven't gotten to that, I recommend you do it soon. The next one is going to be stress management. So remember stress, we'll click here. This one, this is a guideline of what you need to do. Just as long as it looks decent, as long as you use good grammar, punctuation, as long as it's displayed nicely, you're good to go. You'll get all the points. Most people have done a PowerPoint, so if you're thinking, oh gee, what do I do? Well, a PowerPoint's a good bet, but people can do a really nice document or a pamphlet or a brochure, or if you want to do a video like this, hey, you can do that. Yeah, whatever you like to do. But then you would complete it, submit it. Remember that, there are these assignments you see where it's due, but these other things help. So managing your time, managing time, time management, reading, etc., stress, reading, video. These can help you with these assignments. Also, our class discussions, you can use that, especially in our stress assignment. All right, two quick things. Remember, this is an early heads up on the 27th. We will not have class, so do not show up on the 27th. Tomorrow, 13th, and the 20th, please do. The 27th is Thanksgiving, the day before Thanksgiving. Spend time with your family and friends, please. And also, in class, I'm going to ask for volunteers to show off your stress management project, your PowerPoint, whatever it is. So, hey, anyone want to present it? Please do. A quick a tip about learning: one of the best ways to learn is by teaching. It is. I'll give you a pop quiz on that. I'm going to ask who paid attention to this video here 3-some minutes in. And so that's what you can do. The stress management assignment you did, you can teach. And finally, what else? What else? Stress management, time management. Well, hey, I believe that's about it. I'll see you all tomorrow on the 13th. If you haven't got your stuff done yet, please get it done quickly, and I'll see you there.